Tired of clicking each photo individually in OneDrive? You know the feeling. You have an entire folder full of pictures you need to move or delete, and you find yourself tapping on image after image, hoping there is a faster way. Well, there is. I am going to show you the one-click trick to select all photos instantly. By the end of this guide, you will go from manually picking every single file to selecting every photo in your folder with just one click. Here is the plan. In this video, I will walk you through exactly where to click to select all your photos in just 3 simple steps. No complicated menus, no hidden shortcuts, just a straightforward process that works every time. This is a method I have used myself, and I promise it is easier than you think. Alright, so let us start by navigating to your files. When you first open OneDrive, you will see your main dashboard with all of your folders and recent files listed out. Now, the reason we start here is simple. This is where the path to your photos begins. You want to look on the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. See where it says My Files? Go ahead and click that. It is usually the first option at the top of the list. This takes you to the root of your OneDrive storage, which is exactly where we need to be before we can drill down into your pictures. Now, once you have clicked My Files, you will see a list of all your main folders. This is where we need to look for your photo collection. Next, open the Pictures folder. On most accounts, this folder is created by default, so it should be right there in the list, often towards the top. The reason we target this specific folder is that OneDrive automatically organizes your photos here when you sync them from your phone or camera. So go ahead and click on Pictures. This will open the folder and show you all of your images as thumbnails or in a list view. Now, pay attention to this one. If you do not see a Pictures folder, do not worry. You can simply click into any folder that contains your photos. The process works the same way. So now that we are inside the Pictures folder, this is where the magic happens. And here is the really important part. You might be tempted to start selecting individual photos by clicking on each one, but there is a much faster way. Look towards the top of the screen, right beside the folder name. You will see a small checkmark icon next to the word Pictures. That tiny checkmark is your golden ticket. Now, click on that checkmark beside the name. When you do, it will instantly select every single photo in that folder. You will see all of your images get highlighted with a blue border or a checkmark on each one. It is that fast. From there, you can right-click to copy, move, delete, or download them all at once. One thing to keep in mind, this only selects the photos in the current folder, not any subfolders. So if you have pictures in subfolders, you will need to repeat this process inside each one. But for a flat folder full of photos, this trick saves you so much time. And there you have it. You have gone from clicking each photo individually to selecting all of them with a single click. No more wasted time, no more frustration. Just a clean, simple way to handle your photo library in OneDrive. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, consider sharing it with someone else who might be dealing with the same struggle. Happy organizing!